Maybe after this corner I should think about shifting up to third. Just listen to the exhaust note. So the exhaust that has been designed for this motorcycle, the aftermarket prototype that I'm running, it's just perfect for touring. Absolutely perfect. It's not loud. It is about as loud as, you know, you'd run the stock exhaust with a decat pipe. Just maybe 5% louder than that. Like how the Arrow exhaust for any OEM is like, you know, it'll just be about 5%, 10% louder than stock, which is just perfect because you get to hear the engine and it's not annoying. Anyway, this is a long distance motorcycle, right? You cannot have a loud exhaust on this and just bleed from your eardrums after about 50 odd kilometers. People clock 500, 600, 800, 1,000 kilometers a day on a bike like this. So no point having an absolutely loud exhaust. However, the whole point of me working on this motorcycle was to do a rally style build, and that is why I will not be sticking to this exhaust, because what we have done is, in order to make this exhaust, we made a U-box instead of a sort of a resonator box instead of the stock resonator box. So the mid pipe is routed in a U-turn, which sort of dampens the sound quite a bit. It would also dampen the power that, you know, a straight pipe into a free-flowing end canister would. So having said that, that is what we'll end up doing for this project. Fourth now. Second. Rev matching. I really hope you can hear the exhaust of this bike. Second. S-turn. Another S-turn. Or a zigzag turn. Whatever you want to call it.